With enormous proportions, the boldly styled Telluride will be Kia's biggest crossover, set to go on sale by May 2019. Although it's based on the Sorento, the Telluride is more interesting to look at, with nifty designs for its head and tail lights and a boxy angular silhouette. Under the hood, there is a 3.8-liter V6 that makes 291 horsepower and 262 foot-pounds of torque, with an 8-speed automatic transmission. All-wheel drive is optional and can vary the torque split from 100% to the front wheels to a 65-35 split in sport mode. A self-leveling rear air suspension will also be available. Because the Telluride and its corporate cousin, the Hyundai Palisade, is several inches longer than the 7-passenger Kia Sorento, its cabin is even more spacious, especially for those in the way back seat. There will be room for 8 with a second row bench seat or room for 7 with the optional captain's chair. Interior options include quilted Napa leather seats and a 10.3-inch touchscreen. Kia is packaging a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features on all Telluride models, including blind spot monitoring, automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane keeping assist, and rear parking sensors. Other driver assist will include sensors that can detect whether there are children or pets left behind in the back seats, as well as the lockout feature for the rear doors in case a fast-moving object approaches too close. The Telluride offers 4 trim levels: LX, S, EX, and SX. The EX offers a desirable amount of standard equipment, but still barely crests $40,000, even with the $2,000 option for the all-wheel drive. All Telluride models come standard with a 3.8-liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. While it may not look quite as cool as the SX with its black wheels, the EX has tons of kit, including a full complement of active safety features, a larger 10.3-inch touchscreen display, a power to liftgate, and a heated steering wheel. The EX's 8-passenger setup with a 3-cross second row seat also provide an extra measure of practicality compared with the top SX trim, which comes only with second row captain's chairs that reduce seating capacity to 7. Options we would choose are towing package at $795, sangria paint at $395, carpeted floor mats at $210.